Okay, right on. Thank you for submitting your name and email. The workshops are on their way to your inbox if they're not there already. Now, look, you're here because you're feeling uninspired and unenthused with your current work life and you want to learn how to create an online business so that you can start working on projects you really care about. Now, I have another opportunity for you. I want to introduce you to Stuart Ross. Stuart has a webinar where he talks about turning a crisis into an opportunity. Now, what better time? We're in the middle of a 100-year pandemic. You're not into your job. You want to start working on things you really care about. You're in a crisis, and Stuart will cut through everything. He'll cut right to it to help you launch your online business. So click the link and sign up for this webinar. You're gonna love it, I promise. Now, I know what it's like, where you just feel like you're working all the time, you're not getting paid enough, and just generally not enjoying what you're doing. The outlook looks grim. Why else would I be making all these videos and learning and creating a business that I can scale quickly? It's because I want to create a life that I envision, a life that I love life, I live life. I work with people who are like-minded with me. Why else would I be learning all these digital skills? So check it out. Click the link, sign up for this webinar. You're gonna love it. Stuart Ross, once again, he talks about turning a crisis into an opportunity. I promise you it'll help you just launch your business once you get it up and running. So check it out. I'm Will Martin, and I will talk to you guys soon.